Hi there, this is Evan again from the Everyday Review with a multi-tool review. This is the Guidesman multi-tool. This is a heck of a knife, if you ask me. It offers a whole bunch. It kind of reminds me of the Swiss Champ a little. To get started, it's got a compass, which you can move out. It has a red LED, not laser pointer, just LED. On the back side, it's got your corkscrew. It's got a gut hook, if I can get that out. It's a little bit hard to get out. There we go. The gut hook. And aw right there. On the flip side, we have can opener, flathead bottle opener, screwdriver with dual-sided bits, interchangeable, and then you could use that as maybe a hex driver. It has 3 more double-sided bits, so you'll never run out of those. Has a pair of pliers. The pliers aren't really the best, but I mean they'll get the job done. That it's kind of smooth in there, so it won't be very grippy. Also in there is a pair of scissors. You can see those in front of there. And then there's the knife. Pretty sharp. And lastly, there is a smaller knife. Still sharp. But it's a heck of a lot in such a small package. And this is the review of the Guidesman multi-tool.